Let me just start off by saying that I love my MacBook Pro laptop replacement because that's exactly what this combo is for me. The case is wonderful, but this like soft material that it's made from gets dirty really, really easily. I use this thing at work, every airport, every surface wherever I am. I'm typically on my iPad. As you can see, I just got so many like food stains. This is probably from me using it in the kitchen, but there are like little scratches on it. It's sticky stuff. This is the other side that actually sits on the surface that I'm working on or using. Look how nasty that is. I'm almost embarrassed that this is here. I looked up to see what this is actually made from because I keep saying this soft material, but the material is actually called polyurethane, and it's kind of like a artificial rubber. Now, after reading that, I got me a wash rag that I only wet a little bit on the corner, and I am using a little bit of force to press down so I could get some of that food and those grease stains and dirt off of the case. And look how nasty and dirty this thing is. More dirt than this came off, but I'm just too embarrassed to show you that. But it's yellow. You see that? That's disgusting. Now, I did learn that you should do this with a microfiber rag because this wash rag is leaving behind little particles from it, little white particles from it. And you can see as the camera's getting close, you can see where it looks like lint. And not that this is harming the case because it's not, but just use a microfiber rag so you don't have to keep going over it with the dry part of a wash rag to sweep this lint off. Now, considering how much this case costs on top of the iPad and buying the pencil all separately, I was afraid to use any cleaning solution for this case, so I chose to use water. But even with all of that rubbing that I did, the case still isn't 100% back to how it came out of the box, but this is way better than walking around with all those grease stains on it. So in my next video, I'm going to show you the sleeve that I bought to put all of this in to avoid that. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.